Hi everyone, welcome back to Queen's Recipes. I'm Lara, and in today's episode, we're diving into the world of knife skills. If you want to improve your chopping abilities and impress your friends in the kitchen, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump in, let's talk about the tools we'll need. 1 chef's knife. This is your go-to knife for most tasks. Make sure it's sharp. 2 cutting board. Use a wooden or plastic cutting board for stability. 3 paper towels, to clean up any mess as we go. 4 microplane or grater, for fine grating tasks like garlic or ginger. Safety is our top priority. Here are some tips. Always use a sharp knife. Sharp knives cut better and are safer. Keep your fingers away from the blade. Use the claw grip to secure your vegetables. Make sure your work surface is clean and not slippery. There are 3 basic cutting techniques. 1. Dicing. Let's start with an onion. Cut off the root and the top. Slice the onion in half, then make vertical cuts to create thin slices, and finally cut horizontally to create uniform dice. 2. Slicing. Take a cucumber and start slicing it lengthwise. Use a gentle, steady motion. Make sure all slices are of even thickness. 3. Mincing. Let's move to garlic. Smash the cloves with the side of your knife, then chop finely. You can use the same technique with herbs like parsley. Here you guys tips to be professional. 1. Practice makes perfect. The more you chop, the better you'll get. 2. Keep your knife and cutting board clean to avoid cross-contamination. 3. Consider investing in a good quality knife. It makes a big difference in performance. Today, we covered the basics of chopping, dicking, slicing, and mincing. Practice these skills, and you'll be chopping like a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Queen's Recipes for more cooking tips and recipes. Thanks for watching! Share your chopping successes in the comments below, and let me know what you'd like to learn next. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video!